How to reactivate Clickbank disabled account. So if you want to reactivate your Clickbank disabled account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, and after that go with your search for Clickbank, and then go with www.clickbank.com, and it will take you to the website. Now you just need to simply click on support. Under support, you can just scroll down and then go with affiliate help, and here just simply go with the submit a request option on the top right. Once you click on it, now here you will have the report page. So you just need to simply enter your email address and the subject. The subject will be disabled account, and after that you can also go with suggested articles. If you don't want to, then you can go with detailed summary request. So you just need to simply enter that my account has been disabled and I want to recover my account. And after that, you need to just go with the type of question and your account nickname, which is optional, and then the attachment. If you have any files and attachments, you can simply drop it here and go with submit. Once you've submitted, then within a few hours, you will receive mail or some help from Clickbank. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.